Today, in this class, we will learn about the topic guarantee of profit. As per T.S. Grewal book, it is the last topic of first chapter, that is fundamentals of accounting in case of partnership or fundamental of partnership. Guarantee of profit means in this case either some partners give guarantee to the firm or firm guarantee give to a partner, or sometimes some partner give guarantee to a partner. It means here's a guarantee about the profit. Suppose Ram, Shyam and Mohan are three partners. Mohan is admitted in the partnership, saying that his profit for every year will not be less than 1 lakh, and in any year in appropriation account, when the profit is divided among the partners, the share of third partner is only 70,000. Then the shortfall of 30,000 as guarantee have given to that partner will be borne by the other partners or any specific partner as per the statement of the question. So let's start the topic guarantee of profit. Here is a new partner may be admitted in the firm with minimum guarantee. The partner have a guarantee for the business. The profit may be guaranteed by existing partners or incoming new partner by all of the remaining partners in agreed ratio. That is, if any partner is admitted, then profit guarantee will be given to a partner by the all partners in some specific ratio that will be provided in the question, or one or more existing partners or old partners. Second one is either any one partner have given personally guarantee to that person, uh, single guarantee, or if there are four partners, two have given the guarantee and third is not given the guarantee. So it is all the guarantee question depends upon the statement of the question how it asks from us. The first point is guarantee of profit by all the remaining partners. Mean if ABC are partner and C have a guarantee, then rest all partner, that is A and B, have to bear the portion of guarantee. Let's do it with an example. The example is 49. In 49 example, it is stated ABC are partner in a firm sharing profit loss in 4 to 1. It is provided that she's share of profit would not be less than 37,500. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 is 157,500. It is said that prepare profit and loss appropriation account. As we all know, profit for profit and loss appropriation account, it started with by profit and loss account, the net profit that is 157,500. After that, we will divide the 1,57,500 in the agreed ratio, that is 4 to 1. It comes to 90,000, 45,000 and 22,500. This will be normal division of profit. Since here is a guarantee to C of rupees 37,500, then in order to make the C's account equal to 37,500, there is a shortage of 15,000 rupees, and this 15,000 will be divided by how? It will be divided by the remaining partner, that is A and B, in their ratio. In their ratio, whatever is the ratio between these two partner, this one, whatever the ratio between those partner, this one, that is 4 2. Now the remaining, the 15,000 will be divided in 4 2, that is 2 1. We can easily compute 4 2 is 2 1. So 15,000 will be divided in 2 1 ratio. So A will born the deficiency of 10,000 and B will born the deficiency of 5,000. So C's capital account 22,500, add deficiency met by A 10,000 and B 5,000. The total is 37,500. And since this is met by A and B, so it will be reduced from their capital account. A's capital account 90,000. He has given the guarantee to C up to 10,000. That's why less C share of deficiency, this one 10,000 minus, it will be 80,000. From B's, the share is 45,000. C's share of deficiency will be reduced by 5,000. It comes to 40,000. This is the way how we deal with a guarantee in the question. In the guarantee of question, only the partner who have received the guarantee will be given as per the statement of the question. That's why I'm discussing with the question here. Now take a next question for more clarification of the topic. That is illustration number 50. Here is P and Q a partner in a firm sharing profit and loss in ratio 5:3. Point to be noted, ratio is 5:3. On 31st on 1st April, on 1st April 2014, they admitted R as new partner. New partner is admitted for 1/8 share of the profit with a guarantee profit of 75,000. The new partner will take the profit 1/8 of the profit, and his share is guaranteed by 75,000. The new ratio between P and Q will remain as same. They had decided that the old 5:3 will be between P and Q, but they agreed to bear any deficiency on account of guarantee to R. It means if any deficiency arises due to guarantee of R, then it will be borne in 3:2 ratio as per given. It will be not deal in 5:3. It will be in 3:2 as per the statement. The profit for the year will is 4 lakh. The profit is given is 4 lakh. Now prepare P&L appropriation account. For P&L appropriation account, it will be start as usual by profit and loss account. Profit for the year, that is 4 lakh. After that, divide this profit as per their ratio. Their ratio is the new partner, that is R. Here is R. R will take 1/8 of profit. So uh, 1/8 of 4 lakh is 50,000. This is the profit of R. Out of 4 lakh, 50,000 is the profit given to R. The remaining profit is 3 lakh 50,000. This 3 lakh 50,000 will be divided among P and Q in their profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3. We will divide in 5:3. So if we divide the 3 lakh 50,000 in 5:3 ratio, it will be 2 lakh 18,750 and 1 lakh 31,250. This will be the normal division of profit. Since we have noted that R have a guarantee of profit, that is 75,000, and R is getting only 50,000. So there is a deficiency of 25,000 which will be borne by remaining two partners in 3:2 as per the given in the question. So in 3:2 it will be 15,000 and 10,000 between P and Q. So 50,000 plus deficiency met by P 15,000, Q 10,000, total is 75,000. Same, P has given the guarantee, so this guarantee will be reduced from the partner's account, partner share of profit. P share is 2 lakh 18,075 750 as we have computed earlier, less deficiency in R's capital 15,000, remaining is 203,750. Thereafter Q's capital account is 131,250, the share of profit. Then less deficiency in R's share. R share borne by Q is 10,000, reduced from it, and the profit remaining is 121,250. This will be the division of profit among the partner in this case of guarantee. I hope it's clear to all. Now let's take a new question so that this topic becomes more clear to us. Here's the question. Illustration 51. Molly, Bhola and Raj were partner in a firm sharing profit and loss in 3:3:4. The partnership need to provide the following: interest on capital at the rate of 5%, interest on drawing at the rate of 12%, interest on partners loan at the rate of 6%. Molly was allowed an annual salary of 4,000. Thereafter, Bhola was allowed a commission of 10% of net profit as shown in P&L account. It means Bhola will get 10% of the profit as per P&L account. P&L, whatever is shown in P&L account. Raj was a guarantee of profit of 1,50,000. Here is the question of guarantee. after making all the adjustment as provided in partnership deed. It means after all the adjustment, when profit is divided among the partners, it is guaranteed that R will get a minimum share of 150. The fixed capital account of Molly is 5 lakh, Bhola 8 lakh, and Raj is 4 lakh. On 1st April 16, Bhola extended a loan of rupees 1 lakh to the firm. Bhola have given a loan to the firm. The net profit for the firm ended 2017 before interest on Bhola's loan is 306. This is the profit of the partner before interest on Bhola's loan. You have to prepare profit and loss account assuming that Bhola and Raj year ended 31st March, their current account assuming that Bhola's drawing is 5,000 at the end of each month and Molly's drawing is 10,000 at the end of each quarter and Raj withdraw 40,000 at the end of each half year. So this is the amount given for interest on drawing. Let's do one by one. First of all, by profit and loss account, we have a profit of 3,06,000, out of which interest on Bhola's loan will be given 6,000, remaining profit is 3,000. This amount is reduced from P&L account as it is a charge account. It is a charge amount because interest on partner's loan is a charge amount. After this, we have to compute interest on drawing as per partnership deed. It is allowed, and how it is computed, let's see in a working note 1. In working note 1, interest on Molly's drawing is 40,000, 10,000 4 installment into 4.5 divided by 12 into rate of interest 12%. As taught earlier, the interest is 1800. Interest on Bhola's, that is 60,000 because he have withdrawn per month 5,000 into time period as per the drawing time into rate of interest, you will get 3,300 as interest. After that, interest on Raju's drawing is 80,000, 40,000 in two installment, 3 by 12 month into 12% rate of interest. So interest will be 2,400. You can compute if you find any other suitable method. You can compute also, but the answer will be same 18, 33, and 2,400. So uh, interest on capital, Molly is 1,800, Bhola is 3,300, and interest on current Raj's current account it is 2,400. Total interest on drawing is 7,500. Comes on a debit side, interest on capital on Molly's current account. It will be transferred to Molly's current account because capital account are fixed. Hence, capital account is 5 lakh. Rate of interest is allows 5%, so 25,000. Same as Bhola, 40,000. Same as Raj, 20,000. Total interest on capital is 85,000. After that, Molly is allowed a salary that is 4,000 annually. Bhola, Bhola will get a commission of net 10% of net profit as per P&L account. So as per P&L account, the profit will be 3 lakh because 3 out of 306, 6,000 is charge item. So 10% of 3 lakh is 30,000. This will be the commission. After that, whatever the profit remains will be divided among the partners as per their ratio. And as per ratio, ratio is 334. So the profit remains divided among the partner Molly, Bhola, and Raj. And we have seen from it that Raj have a guarantee to get a profit of 1,50,000. But we are seeing that here is a shortage. So in order to make 1,50,000, the deficiency, whatever the deficiency, will be borne by the partner in their ratio. And here is 334. Molly, Bhola, and Raj. Raj have a guarantee, and hence remaining partner will born in 3:3, that is 1:1. So whatever will be the deficiency will be borne by the partner in equal ratio. That what's happened here, 37,300 and 37,300 added from Molly and from Bhola, and the Raj share becomes 150. Out of the profit given to Molly and Bhola, the share will be deducted, that is 37,500 and 37,500, and resultant will be the profit share of Molly and Bhola. This is the guarantee, how we will deal with the guarantee with interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary, and a commission, etc. Hope it is clear to all. Now, this is your question number, illustration number 51. Then we move to illustration number 52. As far as illustration number 52 is concerned, I am reading the question. It is PQR are partners sharing profit and loss in ratio 5:1 respectively. Raj is guaranteed his share uh, in any year will not be less than 50,000. Profit for the year 31st March will is 350. Amount shortfall R will be met by P and Q in ratio 3:2. We will any if there is any shortfall, it will be covered by P and Q in 3:2 ratio. Past journal entry regarding deficiency met by P and Q. They have asked only about the deficiency. So it is similar to question number 50 in which a ratio is given. Again I am repeating, this is similar to question number 50 in which partner have given the guarantee in some specific ratio. So when guarantee is given to partner, we will find, when you do in rough calculations, you will find that the share will shortfall by 15,000. So 15,000 will be given by the remaining partner, that is P and Q in 3:2. So ratio will be P is capital account debit, Q is capital account debit, given to R, that is R capital account, 9,000, 6,000 and 15,000. This will be the entry of deficiency. Whatever we are doing in P&L appropriation account, here less less and here is add. This less add mean this partner is getting, so R will be created, and these two partner have to given, it means their account should be reduced, that's why this will be debited. For this question, entry will be Molly's current account debit, Bhola's current account debit to Raj current account, and amount will be 37,300, 37,300, and sum of these two. Clear? And here the he have asked only for deficiency entry, or that is adjustment entry regarding the guarantee of profit. So this will be the entry. How will we deal with the question? I think is it clear to all? Now guarantee of profit given by one partner. If one partner have given the guarantee, just suppose in this question, Y have given guarantee to Z. So whatever shortfall arises to Z will borne only by single partner. Finish. Nothing else. Thereafter, another type question is guarantee treatment of accounting treatment of guarantee of minimum profit to a partner in case of loss. It means we have given guarantee to a partner, and in spite of giving the profit, we have a loss. So how will deal with this situation? In this situation, have a look. Suppose the firm have a loss, so it will be shown in P&L appropriation account on debit side. P&L account net loss is 3 lakh, and the partner have to divide in ratio that is equal. So it will be A's capital account, B's capital account, and C's capital account 1 lakh. So loss is given to all. Whereas it is said the firm incur losses have, whereas C is a guarantee of minimum profit of 1 lakh. C has a guarantee that he will get a profit of rupees 1 lakh, and as per the P&L appropriation account we are seeing, in spite of having profit, C is getting a loss of 1 lakh. So how will deal this is the question. Whatever is the entry will be transferred to their capital account. Here is the P&L appropriation account. A, B, C, 1 lakh debited to all. Since V it is guaranteed to C to give him a profit of 1 lakh, and we have given 1 lakh as a loss as per P&L appropriation account. So we have to give 2 lakh to C, so that loss of 1 lakh compensated from their account and 1 lakh profit will be given. So here is C is credited with 2 lakh of income, and it will be divided by the partners, and ratio is equal. So 2 lakh is divided within the partner equally. A's capital account 1 lakh, B's capital account debit 1 lakh, and these 1 lakh further reduced from uh, A and B's capital account. Here in this case, C will get 2 lakh, and A and B will give 1 lakh out of their capital. So entry here will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to C's capital account 1 lakh, 1 lakh, and 2 lakh. I think it is clear to all how guarantee will be given to partner even in case of loss. Clear? Now question is guarantee given by firm. It is as usual by the remaining partner. How remaining partner bond the share. This is guarantee of profit given by the firm. Thereafter, a question arises minimum earning guaranteed by a partner. What is this? In this case, it is a reverse situation. We have studied till that firm or any partner given guarantee to a partner. Now it is reverse. A partner has given the guarantee to the firm that I will earn specific amount of profit or specific amount of income for the firm. If partner is unable to earn that much amount of profit or income for the firm, then the deficiency arise of that. How that deficiency will be taken from the partner. Let's see an example. Example number 58. What is saying? Jay Vijay Karan were partner of an architect firm, and the ratio is 2 to 1. Partnership provides that monthly salary to Jay and Vijay rupees 15,000 each. It is a monthly salary, will be divided by 12, also multiplied by 12. Karan, the third partner, was given guarantee a profit of 5 lakh, and Jay guaranteed, Karan was guaranteed, Karan have a guarantee of profit 5 lakh. Jay guaranteed that he will earn an annual fee of 2 lakh. Jay has given guarantee that he will earn an annual fee of 2 lakh. Jay has given the guarantee that he will earn a minimum 2 lakh as profit. Any deficiency arising because of guarantee of Karan, first one, if 5 lakh firm को guarantee है, will be borne by Jay and Vijay in ratio 3:2. During the year 31st March 18, Jay earned fees of 1,75,000 and profit of the firm is 15 lakh. So here is a two type of guarantee. Karan has a guarantee, whereas Jay has given guarantee to the firm. Jay has given guarantee of 2 lakh, but his income is only 1,75,000. This is the new one. How will we deal it? Let's do the question. P&L appropriation account. On credit side, by profit and loss account, net profit is 15 lakh as per the given question. Now, Jay has given the guarantee to earn income of 2 lakh, but he have earned only 1,75,000. In this case, 25 to 25,000, which is shortage, will be taken from Jay through their capital account. So on credit side, Jay's capital account 25,000. In case of entry will be Jay's capital account debit as partner is will be debited because amount have been taken from the partner. So Jazz capital account debit to profit and loss appropriation account because this income will be added to firm's income. That's why it is shown on the credit side of P&L appropriation account. Thereafter, salary to Jay and Vijay as per the given question. Then profit out of total profit remaining will be divided in the partner in the ratio that is 2 to 1. So 466, 466 and 233,000. This is the normal division of profit. And in the question, it is also said that Karan has a guarantee of 5 lakh of profit. If Karan has a guarantee of 5 lakh profit, the shortfall is of 2,67,000. This will be borne by the remaining partners. And in case of Karan, Karan is in ratio 1 by 5. The remaining partner are in ratio 2 to. If we look at the ratio that is 2 to 1 and we remove Karan from here, we will get the ratio between J and Vijay is 2 to 1, that is 1 1. So all that efficiency 267000 will be borne by J and Vijay in 1 1 ratio. So 160 200 will be reduced from their share of profit, uh, that is 466000. So the resulting amount will be profit of J, Vijay and Karan. So this is the way how guarantee given to partner, that is here a 5 lakh example, and how a partner gives guarantee to firm, that is example of 25,000, will deal in accounting process. I think is it clear to all? And by this question there is this chapter is finished. Now do the all numerical questions, illustrations from the chapter and from the practical questions as well. Any doubt, ask. Thank you.